Hi, welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to see the deep learning concept, that is how we can use YOLOv8 for instant segmentation or semantic segmentation. So in the previous session, I explained about the basics of YOLOv8. So YOLOv8 is one of the successful deep learning model, and you can say it's one of the algorithm utilized in the computer vision tasks. Like we can say for image classification, object detection, and automatic vehicle detection, and so on. So why YOLOv8 so familiar? Today we will see the hands-on demo. That means how we can perform the image segmentation with the help of this YOLOv8 code and execute and view the result like this. So before that, we have now some of the information about this YOLOv8. So YOLOv8 have a lot of main advantages. One of the advantages you can say anchor-free architecture. The anchor-free architecture is the one where helpful to improve the accuracy and reduce the complexity also. Moreover, any kind of object detection we can perform with the help of YOLOv8 only. Compared to YOLOv5 and V7, YOLOv8 is very speed and accuracy also good and more accuracy for getting the objects here. So many things there. And let's see the example. So if you want to this kind of execution, we need to download the image and keep in the Google G Drive. Then you can give connectivity in the Google Colab. So first, initially we are using the pip install Ultratix, the company where support for the YOLOv8, and we can implement the YOLOv8 with the help of PyTorch also. Let's see the very small code which is helpful to perform the image segmentation. So we are writing the code like this image CBT. Then we can write the load the model. So once you give the line model is equal to model YOLOv8n, all the supporting files will be here, coding will be there. So it will help you to predict the object in the given image. If at all object is there, it will predict the images or objects in the image and print the values also. Here image path we are setting, that is demo video like that, and run segmentation and visualize the results. We can give the line and save the results. So if you go give like this, we will get the output. Already have a demo image. So once give this one, the help of YOLOv8, it predict the persons like that, the bus, object bus, another object person, and with the probability of person 8/84 and person 88 and so on, and stack board everything. So we can achieve better performance. And moreover, one more advantage YOLOv8 is support the higher performance with the help of MAP, that is mean average precision also. I hope that you understand how we can achieve image segmentation with the help of simple code in the YOLOv8. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.